Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you or share to you how to download Kotobee Author. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser. So right now I'm using Google Chrome. Then on the search engine, just type in Kotobee Author. So let's type in Kotobee Author and search it on Google. So the first one, you have to click this one, www.kotobee.com, and this page will pop up, and then as you can see, we have here overview, features, export formats, and we also have downloads. So all you have to do is to click on downloads, and then it will tell you to download different versions. Right now, the latest version for Kotobee Author is 1.6.3. So if you are using 64-bit, Windows 32-bit, or Macintosh, you can just choose any of the three. Now, how are you going to check if your laptop or computer is 64-bit or 32-bit? All you have to do is to open My Computer here, and then just right click and properties. So this PC or My Computer, you just right click anywhere and then click on properties, and then there you go. So it says here right now I'm using 64-bit operating system, so I have to choose 64-bit, and then all you have to do is to click this one, and then if you click that, it will automatically be downloaded. However, I already download, so there you go. So it will ask you, a dialog box will ask you to download the file, and you can actually save it anywhere you want. So I already downloaded the Kotobee, and then once you have downloaded Kotobee, this one, it will ask you to install, and then just follow the proper instructions on how to install, and it will be automatically installed in your computer. So you just click on yes. So I don't proceed anymore because I have already downloaded it in my laptop. Okay, and once you open Kotobee, it will give you this kind of page. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to make ebooks using Kotobee Author. Thank you and hope it helps.